Hey guys, my iPhone 15 Pro Max came in a week early, and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and my first impression in this video. This is the natural titanium. Comes with the USB-C cord. Let's try to turn it on. Hey, so we're back with the initial first impression of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I did have a little trouble. I was coming from an iPhone 11, and which comes with the physical SIM card, and this has an eSIM. So what I had to do was get those transferred, and what I had to do was basically call my phone company and try to get the transfer. So I called them, and the thing about that is the call was dropped in the middle of the transfer because it was going from one phone to another, and the transfer wasn't successful. So I had to go online and basically do the process over again. And that took about maybe 30 to 45 minutes. So if you got an eSIM already, then the process should be much easier. Let's get this phone case off. So this is the i15 Pro Max. Basically, my first impression is meh. It's cool. I like it, but surrounding the hype, I was excited to get this phone, but it's kind of meh. It's just imagine, I'm sure you had a friend or a family member tell you to go see a movie, and then you finally go see a movie, and you feel like, that was cool, but I don't understand what the hype is about. That's what I feel about this phone. It kind of, I got the natural titanium, and if you don't have the case for it, it smudges. You could see the fingerprints very easily. I'm coming from an iPhone 11, which I updated iOS 17, and I feel like I have the same phone. And besides, it's a little bigger. This phone's a little bigger. It comes with the 3 cameras. It takes better pictures, but we already know that. It's a phone, and I never understood why people get such an excitement for getting the new phone when it's kind of the same thing after you update your system. If you're getting a phone every year just for the camera, I was just getting a DSLR camera or a mirrorless camera and holding that for about 6-7 years and keeping your phone for 4 or 5 years. And that will save you money, and you'll probably get better videos and pictures. I felt like I needed a new phone this time because my old phone was the iPhone 11, but honestly, after I got the software update, it's the same thing. I'm glad they went to a USB-C port. Other than that, this action button, I haven't set anything to it yet. Again, this is just an unboxing and a first impression of the phone. But man, for $1,000, $1,100, I don't understand, the hype around it. I get it. It's a great phone company or a great tech company. They have reliable products. I'm coming from the last time I had a Samsung was a Note 2 and a Note 3, and they just died out of the blue. I had the phones for less than a year, and they just died. I switched to iPhone shortly after that, and no matter how old the phone is, it still works. It's a phone. I use it to call, I use it to text, I use it for social media, I use it for the internet. I use it to take pictures as well. But the most important thing is to communicate. If I wanted a really nice camera which is kind of the selling point for the Pro Max, or in any phone really, because phones just became so, it's our life. You have your wallet in here, you got to communicate, you got the internet, you got, you know, the cameras, the videos, you just do everything with phones nowadays. And that's why they could charge $1,000, $1,100 for these phones, because you do everything with them. You need them for everything. And I just don't get it. That's why I'm kind of, you know, it's cool, it's nice. But next year is going to be the same thing, right? That's why I'm kind of just like, if you get a nice camera and you know, keep that for a few years, get a decent phone, keep that for a few years, you probably could save a lot of money. Now, if you just need to if you just want a new phone just because you want it, that's a different story. But like I said, I'm not surprised, I'm not impressed. I like that I got a new phone, but for $1,100, I'm kind of, you know, unimpressed about it. Obviously, this is just an unboxing video and my first impression. I'm live with it for a little bit, for about 2-3 weeks to a month, and probably do another video of what I think about the phone, if that changes my opinion. But right now, it's just a cool phone. You know, it's nice to have. It's cool. You know. But if you like this video, please like it. Please subscribe. I will be doing more videos in the near future of what I think about the phone. I got a couple of other cases. Yeah, so please subscribe to the channel. Please like this video. Please comment on what you think about the new iPhone Pro.